Welcome back for another unboxing swatch. Today we'll be looking at the Winsor Newton Cotman Watercolors Portrait Pocket Set. There are 8 colors in this set, and there are also 4 additional empty wells if you'd like to add your own half pans to it. So let's just go ahead and take a look at the box. We have a QR code on the side, takes you to windsornewton.com. There's some information on the back, including the colors that are within the set, so we will get to all of those when we unbox and swatch them. And they also provide you with the pigment numbers that go along with it. You'll see there's a number of hues in this set that's common for a student grade watercolor set. There's no heavy metals, and it's also more economical in terms of price, so they can keep the price lower for you. So let's go ahead and open this up. And you have your hard plastic carrying case that these come in, and the sticker that I guess is supposed to match the box. We have a couple theories on this sticker going around the studio here. One of them is that in case you wanted to collect multiple pocket sets, because they do make more than one kind, that you could simply put the sticker on the outside so you know that it's a portrait set on the inside. But speaking of on the inside, we've got 3 mixing wells. We have our little, they'll call it a travel brush. This is, in my opinion, a novelty. I feel like very few people would actually have a comfortable time using this in actual art application. Even my 5-year-old daughter might ask for a larger brush than this, but in a pinch it will lift color and put it on paper, so it is certainly better than no brush. So it's still an addition that doesn't take up much space or add much weight. And then, like I said, we have our 4 empty pans on the side. So what we're going to do now is unwrap these bad boys, and then we're going to swatch them out for you, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, so there you go. These are the Portrait Pocket Set colors, Winsor Newton Cotman. So these are student grade paint. They performed as such. They don't re-wet as easily as some professional grade paints, but it's what I would expect. They performed as I would expect. And if you wanted to add additional colors to this to expand your portrait palette, as I said before, you have 4 additional slots that you can add your own pans to continue that out or fill it out a little bit better. If this video was helpful to you at all, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to be notified so that we can let you know when we have a future unbox and swatch video just for you.